everything. So in the school I have an opportunity for playing alone in my mansion, very good. And how about as a deputy captain? I don't know now. I like to tell my friend Kushal, I asked him, he told you can be a deputy captain. So you don't know the roles of the deputy captain. No. So you belong to purple class, right? So there will be a captain down up to the deputy captain. So when in case of captain's absence, what will the captain do? The deputy captain has to take up the chance. So assembly-wise or discipline in the class, communication in the corridors of the class, everything will be taken care of. Now, which will be the best option for you? Sports or deputy? Sports. Fine. So if you are given a chance and you have been elected as a sports captain, what will you take up initiation for making all the students participate in the sports? We have skating, rifle shooting, archery, right? So these few people will not go to the archery or skating or anything. They will stop, bunk or sit in the class. So what initiation you take for them? I will go to the meeting and I will go to the ground, they will come and they will play any game. I want to be a house captain. So why do you want to opt as a house captain? Because I want to help my housemates and I will give the respect to them. And I can bring my leadership practice and education to them. And I will give the respect to them. So if you are a house captain, what are all the roles you take up as a house captain? Give the competitions and games for the housemates. Okay. So what role you have given here? I will bring up leadership qualities in them. So what are the leadership qualities you can bring here? I will give the respect to them and I will take care of the house. I will lead the house and sports captain and house captain. You want to nominate yourself as a sports captain and house captain? Okay. So why do you nominate yourself as a sports captain? Because I'm very good in sports and I can also bring in sports too. And we get a students who are very big in sports. They also excited. I can also talk to the meeting and make sure we get more sports equipment. If suppose you were given a chance as a sports captain, you feel that only sports is a responsible thing for your school and development, or you will also guide the others also to take up? Not only sports, even studies. Students are only participating in sports and not only in studies. Also encourage to participate in studies. Second thing, if any people, we have rifle shooting, archery, skating, so many things, and many of them will not go to this games or something, they will be sitting in the classroom itself. You will not go to skates as maybe you have observed it. So how will you take in charge of this as a sports captain? I will ask them why they are not able to purchase the skates or not interested in activities and encourage them to learn new things and try for more sports like skating, racing, if they don't know how to do it. Teachers can also guide them how to learn. So if they will, even though if you say they will not go, they will sit in the class, what measurements you take as a student? I will call like if there is every student, I will call the student, then they are sitting in the class, they can come to the class and take all of them. So what you have nominated the house captain also. So which will you take up, either a house captain or a sports captain? Well, prefer sports. You prefer sports captain. Go.
I'm from 8th grade company school, and my hobbies are to play cricket and watching movies.
What for position you have been nominated?
Ma'am, sports side or deputy captain.
So okay. So what is deputy captain according to you?
That means I want to do like sports things like garden.
Okay. So deputy captain will do the garden.
Ma'am, like you have to look on school, like advice like he is taking school
Today is
classes.
not a head boy. So he is just nominated for head boy. Okay. And once you become a deputy captain, what roles you will take?
take care of us.
Next.
Today I am studying in Delhi. My father is a civil engineer and my mother is a homemaker. I have a sister studying in grade 7. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies and reading some books. And my favorite thing is to go outside and watch movies. That's all.
So you have nominated for.
Headboy and house captain.
So what are the roles and responsibilities you take up as a head boy?
Checking that all house captains are working properly or not, and checking that whether all students are disciplined, and assisting or helping the teachers in events like investiture ceremony, annual day, and other ceremonies arranged by the school, and being disciplined and being role model to the fellow students, and helping them in their studies and sports.
You know that the head boy is next to all the teachers of the school, right? So you will be handling the entire school of thousands, or whatever the strength is, you will be taking care of them. So how will you balance your education along with your roles?
At the time of my classes and periods, I will do my classes, and when a special time is allocated for preparation of all events like investiture ceremony and all, I will make sure that everyone is working properly, and I will also check myself.
So if you are being selected as a head boy, so the roles and everything you will obey correctly. In case you are abusing or doing nonsense or something during the time, you are being asked to move out of the head boy. So how will you face it?
If I do any mischievous things and I will not maintain discipline, I will step out of it.
You will only step out. So you have that much of guts that you can come out of this. And have you informed your parents about this, that you are going to take up the role of head boy? Yes. So what did they suggest?
They suggested me all the best and do very well in the future.
So once if your academics is getting back because of this preferred position, so how will you take it?
I'll allocate more time to my studies at my home, and I'll balance it with this.
And why you are nominated?
Hi, ma'am. I want to nominate for cultural captain and cheerleading captain. Because if I become a cultural captain, definitely I will ask PD sir and arrange some festivals. Then if I become a captain, I will definitely make my house be in a disciplined way, stand in line, not to talk in Telugu. Then
How much commitment can you give in this at this stage if you are a captain? So as you said, you will not make them talk in Telugu, you will make them in a disciplined way and not use the words or something. So how much commitment will you carry according to your academics and this? You are in 8th grade, so you have to concentrate on your studies and also you have to concentrate as a captain. So how will you balance both? You can't balance?
I can balance.
Then how will you balance?
Mom, if I miss a period, confirm at lunchtime I'll go and ask him.
So 100% effort you will give as a captain if you are being selected. Am I right? So you will dedicate yourself to school, and what will you give for school? So if you are a captain, how will you show your effort in putting the things into the school?
Attending,
Okay.
then the board, decorating a board, then
The entire school, the environment of students will be handed to you fully. So you will definitely 100% you will assure that you will do your job. Right? Go. So once you have been elected as a head boy, what roles and responsibilities will you
Ma'am, I'll make sure that the student panel should do their job, and I'll make sure that the notice board should be in the house and house rental, the students in the house should be.
As a cultural captain, what things you will do?
Ma'am, as a cultural captain, still I don't know to dance, but I want to learn.
Okay.
Even I want to try as a cultural captain.
And do you think only cultural captains will be cultural things?
No, ma'am. Everybody should get it.
Only cultural see, the cultural captain is not only involved with the culture of the event or something.
Everybody should get it.
And even the culture of the school. What do you mean by it?
Means we should represent our school next.
Yes. So cultural means not only the events or something will be going on. You have to take care of the culture, how the school environment is there. That is also done by the culture. Right? So you are ready to take up both the roles and you are ready to take up the chance elections are done. If in case if you are not being taken as a head coach, what is your response? Or how do you feel?
I feel like next time I'll try, but it's okay.
So anyone from this school, if you are getting how is your feeling?
I'll feel happy.
You feel happy if you are a head coach, either it is a cultural or head coach. So why did you not opt for the captain?
Mom, everybody will choose head boy and captain. So I thought let us use head boy and cultural.
So main thing focusing on the head boy and cultural as per you.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Very good. Okay.